Have you ever had a craving for ice cream, but you go to your fridge and you don't have any? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade ice cream in 4 easy steps that'll take about 8 to 10 minutes. And you don't need very many ingredients for this, and the ones that you do need, most of them you'll find around your house. For example, you'll need half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla. You'll also need a big bowl of ice, 6 tablespoons of salt, and also you're going to need 2 Ziploc bags. One of them has to be a quart-sized bag, the other one has to be a gallon-sized bag. So once you have all this, you can go ahead and get started. And the very first step is you're going to go ahead and take half a cup of milk and add that to the quart-sized bag. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of salt and you're going to go ahead and add that to the milk. And last, you're going to get half a teaspoon of vanilla, just very little, and add that to the sugar and the milk. Then you're going to go ahead and seal this bag nice and tight. Now for step 2, what you're going to do is you're going to take the large size bag and you're going to pour all the ice inside the big bag. Then you're going to go ahead and get your salt, and you need about 6 tablespoons of this, but it doesn't have to be exact. As long as you cover all the ice, it should be good. Now once you've done that, next you're going to move on to the third step, which will be to place the milk inside the larger size bag. Now the reason that we added salt to the ice before is because according to ScienceOnTheBrain.com, the reason for that is because the salt will basically keep the ice from melting too fast. It'll keep the ice cooler for a longer period of time and allow it to freeze the milk. That's a very important step. You don't want to forget that, because unless you add the salt to the ice, the milk is not going to freeze and you're not going to get ice cream. So after that, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and place a small bag inside the larger bag and pretty much seal it. Now, moving on to the last step, what you're going to do is literally get this bag and shake it around. Shake it, mash it around for a good 7 to 10 minutes until you notice that the milk is starting to freeze. Now, because of timing purposes, I already have one that's ready. So what you'll notice is whenever you're done shaking the bag, you'll notice that your ice cream, the milk is turning to solid form. And what you're going to do is you're basically going to open this and pour all your ice cream out and enjoy it. Simple as that. So to recap, what you're going to do is, first thing, you're going to add the milk, sugar, and vanilla inside the quart-sized bag. You're going to add the ice and the salt inside the large bag. Then you're going to place the small bag inside the large bag and go ahead and mash it around, shake it around for about 7 to 10 minutes until you notice that it's solid. And then all you do is go ahead and get your ice cream out and enjoy.